Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan to sell. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and some whole milk. For the caramel, just sugar will do. This simple base ensures a rich, creamy flan that customers will love. Consistency is key when selling, so follow your recipe closely. Now, let's talk about baking. Pour your custard into the caramel-lined molds and place them in a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 minutes or until the edges are set. Once baked, remove from the water bath and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, refrigerate for at least 4 hours to achieve that perfect firm texture. Presentation is crucial when selling. Once thoroughly chilled, carefully invert each flan onto a plate. The beautiful caramel sauce will cascade over the custard, making it visually appealing. For selling, consider individual portions in clear, secure containers. This not only looks professional, but also makes transport easy for your customers. Don't forget clear labeling with your brand. Finally, let's discuss pricing and selling. Calculate all your costs, including ingredients, packaging, and your time, to set a profitable price. You might sell your delicious flan at local farmers markets, through social media, or even supply small cafes. Offering various sizes, like individual servings versus a whole flan, can attract more customers. Good luck with your flan business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.